It's everything you need to know in 60 seconds about the House of Stark from Game of Thrones. This is Ned Stark, as noble as he is stupid and as stupid as he is dead. Spoiler alert. Then there's his wife Kat, his kids Robb, Sansa, Bronn, Arya, and Rickon. Who? Not to mention his know-nothing bastard son Jon Snow and adopted Theon Greyjoy. Everything's going great until the Lannisters show up. Bran gets chucked out a window, Ned takes Sansa and Arya to the city, Jon joins the Night's Watch, and Theon's just whining. Ned realizes the king's son Joffrey is actually the son of the queen and his brother. Ew. But once the king dies, Joffrey becomes the new king and he takes stupid Ned's stupid head before he can blab about it. Arya escapes, but Sansa, well, you know. Jon's still chillin', Robb starts a revenge war, Arya makes new friends, and whiny Theon takes over Winterfell to impress his daddy. Robb agrees to marry this guy's daughter, but then gets total stupid boners for Nurse Talisa. Bran and Rickon, who? Escape and head north to hang with some trees while Jon meets a hot wildling and goes undercover, literally, to find out about the ice zombies. Oh yeah, they're ice zombies. Sansa gets a new man while Theon becomes less of one. Robb and Kat try to make peace by marrying off Kat's brother instead. Everything is great, there's wine, there's weddings, there's even a little Ned Stark in the oven, and then... So now Jon is back, Bran's hugging trees, Theon's on his knees, Rickon's gone. Who? Arya missed the wedding, Robb's beheading, and Sansa, well, it pays not to be a Stark on HBO's Game of Thrones. Watch Sundays at 9 to find out why.